The Canon Rebel T7 remains a staple for students, offering two versatile lenses in one box. Check the link in the description for the best price. Performance capabilities for a beginner DSLR. Fantastic for learners starting their photography journey. A very capable travel companion with great lens range. Avoid this if your priority is creating video content. It excels at teaching photo fundamentals, but falters for modern video work. How the cost aligns with what you get. The double lens kit adds significant value for money. Canon's reputation for longevity is clearly present here. Be aware that DSLR technology is becoming outdated. Excellent kit value, but consider future upgrade paths. Risks and limitations to be aware of. You can count on this camera to keep working. The 75 to 300 mm lens is basic and requires steady hands. Canon offers excellent support and warranty coverage. Reliable hardware with a few known technical compromises. If you want to master photography fundamentals, this bundle is a reliable, high-value choice. However, if your main goal is high-quality video or vlogging, I recommend looking at modern mirrorless alternatives instead.